Good morning, my ever blessed people. Look at this is the hills of Mount Rasta for you guys, and look at the hills and valleys of this hill here, my ever blessed people. Wow, 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 wow! It's nice, nice view. Look at the sunshine goes. Hey, I'm here, guys. One more time for you. Ever Blessed Family TV. First, I want to tell you good morning and good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time that you come across this video. Look at the beauty in the background, guys. Wow, wow. The hills of Mount Rasta. Very nice here. So the road is set up, and we are crawling up the hill because the hilly terrain. So I have a truck. Look at this nice house right here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, these Jamaicans creative or what? Yes, guys. They're in the hills of Mount Rasta. Yeah, nice. It's another house that is sitting on the rock there. See, guys, look at that house sit on the side of the road there, and we're going through the hills, bamboo for you guys. And as I did say, guys, if you are my returning subscribers, thank you so much for keep coming back to watching my videos. And if you are new here, welcome to Ever Blessed Family TV, guys, where I showcase in and around Jamaica for you guys, showcasing for you guys. This corner is wide, and look at the hills. Yeah, nice surroundings we have here. This is a beauty, and the road is twisty. So when they make the highway, it reduced the traffic in this area so much. Time passed gone. It used to be so crowded around here. Ever blessed people. It's a beauty. Are you enjoying so far? Please look at that view. This area of Mount Rasta is so cool. I am looking forward to the sign that says welcome to St. Ann. I know it is close by. Traversed this area already, but I have to make sure that I show it to my people. Look at this bamboo is cute, and look at the hill in the background, guys. Nice. I take this as a pleasure to showcase my country to Jamaicans. Not only Jamaicans, Jamaica and the world. Yeah, because I know of many Jamaicans who don't know of this part of the country. So I'm willing to showcase this. Guy is overtaking, coming up is crazy. Okay, pulling back, and this truck is going polo. This area, a lot of loaded trucks traverse this area, and this guy goes crazy. See, these are the type of things that they do on the road and get themselves messed up the line. But I am not gonna be intimidated by these guys. Look at these rocks, guys. Nice. I'm gonna go polo, and the polo is a hamaro that says slowly. Taking my time. This area is developed. I didn't know about this area. Oh, nice. Car park. So don't know what this car park is about. Anyway, that is for another day. Yeah man, never bless people. May take my time I go through the hills for you guys. Just hoping that you give this video a like. I know you should like this cool area that we are traversing. And look at the forest there. The word forest is not it's not for Jamaicans. The Kenyan, as they enter a little piece out here away seems bushy, they say they are in the forest. Look at this bamboo, guys. These bamboos are beautiful, aren't they? Yes. And this sign says welcome to St. Anne. I know it was close. Welcome to St. Anne. Yes, I'm demonstrating. So now guys, we are in St. Anne. Hey, yay. And I am look at the sun peeping out on us there, guys. The sun is peeping out on us. I say, ever blessed. Where are you going? That's the sun asking the question. The sunshine is saying, ever blessed. Where are you going? Okay, I'm gonna tell it to you. Sunshine, I'm going to Jacksall. I'm gonna leave this beautiful machine here at Jacksall and take the Knoxford Express bus back to Spanish Town, and I'm gonna show you. I've already shown you guys the journey from Angel Spanish Town to Jacksall via Knoxford Express bus, and I'm gonna take you, ask if you guys to journey with me again when I take you from Jacksall to Angels in Spanish Town. Are you interested in that scenery of the toll road? Yes, Edwards Yaga Highway. And why are they naming these highways after prime ministers or politicians? What happened to the musicians of this country, Jamaica? Bob Marley and the rest. So anyway, that's the story enough in me that I fit them. Look at the cool hills of St. Anne, guys. Guys, please like, share and subscribe. Share my videos to your family and your friends, guys. Tell them that Ever Blessed Family is showcasing Jamaica to the world. Yes man, and not just Jamaica. Ever Blessed people I travel. And as soon as I hit the bird again, I'm gonna show you what the scenery like is like. There's a school right there. I'm gonna show you guys what the scenery is like as soon as I travel. And traveling is not far away. Look out guys and see what I go on. And look at the hills here of St. Anne, guys. Wow. Nice scenery. So I'm strolling down this hill, trying my best to entertain you guys by showing you what St. Anne has to offer. St. Anne people, if you're watching this vlog and you see somewhere that you like, leave in the comment for me, telling me that I just pass you. Me just pass you, yeah, Jamal Windalco. Treatment plans, we just pass the here. Guys, we're taking our time. And am I gonna make a stop right here? Fake spin. Yes, I should. Yes, I should make a stop. What? Fake spin run down. What is happening here? Fake spin is not the fake spin that I used to know. Yes, it is still in operation. So I should have taken the. Wow. I should have taken the other left turn up there. But I'm gonna. My Ever Blessed people, this is the hills of Fake Spin, guys, and I'm on my way to Jacksall. I have to stop at this famous spot, you know, and this is Fake Spin. I'm gonna get myself something to eat, so I'm gonna take my time to check on this guy to see what he has to offer. But I like the scenery here. Follow my finger, guys. Look at the hills, and you go all the way around. And at this spot is this guy here. Cherry One Stop. Haha. And he has here roasted yam. It's been a while I haven't eaten a roasted yam. He has roast beetroot that is popular for me. Amiji, can take a look on what you have in it. Aki, what you have? What you have? Tell me what you have for breakfast this morning.
I have ackee and saltfish and we have fried plantain, festival, potato, bami.
Okay.
This is the ackee and saltfish.
Yeah.
This is steamed thoroughly you got right over here.
Yeah.
And this is the cook up saltfish.
Okay.
I'm gonna jerk some chicken and fry some fish and cook some soup, but I don't reach that this week.
Oh, because it's early.
Yeah.
All right.
So this is actually breakfast ready like right.
All right. So if I had the breakfast with yam, what would we would be served with the yam?
Ackee and saltfish or cook up saltfish, whatever you want. Probably when the
So
fish
it's so for the food kind, it will be just one choice of food.
No, you can add everything. You can get a chai fan, you can get a little bit like that.
Okay, so I can get if I had two festival and a yam, that would be a meal.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let me have yam with a festival and ackee and saltfish, national dish. And is the name Cherry One Stop still remains? You are?
Yeah, that's my mom.
Oh, no, that's your mom. You continue the journey, huh? Yeah. So guys, so you need to talk to me people, bro. Express to me how business around this side.
Like business around this side. It's still they have like a business in but it's not so bright like
Yes.
it used to be before.
Because of some distraction in this area.
Yeah.
Yes.
On the highway.
Yes.
So, but a couple of us is still here doing business.
Yes, yes.
Like on holiday time,
Yes.
we find like a couple of last
Yes. So what can you tell people to encourage them to stop by Fix Pen and
stop by anytime you pass Fix Pen and try to still get good.
just, yeah, because I stopped here a couple of times, but I know this is what the highway would do, you know? You know? Never bless people. We're having breakfast. And this is the famous Fix Pen stop where you get your breakfast. Wagwan, Papi? You doing okay? You're doing business as well? Oh, you're with Cherry? Okay. Cherry One Stop, bro. And that's my ride to Fix Pen. And look, oh my world, look at this illy here. Look behind these shops, guys. It is illy all the way. Wow, my country is beautiful. Just a touch of it. See, guys, look at the background here. It's beautiful. So what can you tell? I'm doing a recording. What can you tell? What can you say about Fix Pen?
Why?
Okay. All right. Okay. Nice. Look at the hills, guys. Okay. Look at the hills, guys. Look at. Why not take a stop at Fix Pen and see for yourself what Fix Pen have to offer? Fix Pen is he's still doing business, guys, and if you traverse this area and you run away from the hills and valleys of the toll road, the scenery here is just beautiful. It's just beautiful out of this world, and it's sad to see that they don't have much business going on, but people are still faithful that they can come around and make a living from it. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
You mind being on my camera? You'd like to say something about Fix Pen? Nice. Look at, guys. Look at. So guys, as I was showing you the beauty of this place, and when I came to this area, I stopped up that the side, but this lady is saying she is Fui Jerk Island. Yes, it's still in operation. And you can still stop at Fix Pen and feel nice. And this beautiful lady here, there's no phone number up there, so you can call and order So I think that's one of the things that you guys should have done. Good morning. Your smile is so pleasant.
Thank you so much.
Oh, they have festival roast beetroot with a jerk chicken, and she's frying
Roast
bread.
beetroot.
She's frying roast beetroot, and look like you have tea in it. Guys, look at this. You remember all of them things that all of you Jamaicans who live and go abroad for all these years. You remember them pot here? Which and I pot cook sweeter than them pot here? Cheese and I look on the smile from the lady who will cook. Cheese and fish. Mommy, you, as I showcase this sign, you guys should have put a phone number that's
We do.
So, right.
Actually, it is right here.
Oh.
Displayed on my plan.
oh, and your
It's
plan.
right here. And it's displayed on the car, but my husband is not here
Yeah.
yet. So it's right there.
So guys, if you come in by a fixed pen here, could you please check this number out and call and place your order that when you come it's ready. It's ready, or you want to see when they've been prepared it. It's a nice spot. Nice. Very nice. Guys, don't give up on fixed pen. Fixed pen is still alive. Fixed pen is still alive. Mom, your smile. I would say something. But because I'm on camera, I would say it. But another day. All right, be good. All the best now. Yes, guys, that lady is full of vibes. Full of vibe. And I placed my order here. What I did is that when. Yes, I have a card. I'll be back with it. Okay. Yes, guys. She want to give me her support, I suppose. But I'm gonna show you guys my food. Yes, guys. Yes, let me see what he prepared for me here. And yo. I am a foodie. And I'm gonna let me pay for this food before I start eating. Let me pay for this food first. Because might be I just start to eat and then run away and don't pay this guy for his food. And he would chase me all the way to Jackson. I said, bro, business is slow and you're taking my food and don't pay me. Bro, it's... Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not gonna be one of them. Let me pay you then eat. So guys, you know me well already, you know. Foodie. And there goes my plate. My plate is empty. And if my plate is empty, that means my belly is full. And there goes.
Yeah, but
This was my chef. A chef for the morning.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
God bless people. It's my chef.
She chef cut out the bottom with it.
Good, man. Do it. Yeah, man. God bless people. My chef for the day at fix, man.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, man.
I'm getting good at can saltfish and roast yam and chicken.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tell your boss fix when you can stop, man. See, sign the name Cherries one stop.
Yes.
They have to good food.
Yes.
Every time.
And I agree with what you just said. You give a phone number to somewhere somebody can reach if they for instance somebody is coming from whichever head. I want to know what you have.
8040297.
See there. Reach out, guys, and if you want to know if they have what you want at Cherry One Stop, just give him a call and say yeah. Him say yes, we have that, and you just come in and get
We're
it.
there 7 days a week.
7 days a week. And he is one of the loyal chef around here. Can you dispose of this box for me, please? Can you dispose of this box for me?
You're right there, I'll take it up.
Okay, thank you, bro. Bless up with your farmer.
Yeah, man, I didn't this man.
How your plant?
I plant everything, man, you know.
So we have ready
I'm an
for
artist, man, known to my artist, you know.
I like
And
it.
I'm a straight God, you know.
Eh.
The man who fall when I roll thunder.
So you can tell me about Jesus this morning. We have in a bucket there. Oh, you have feed pig?
Yeah, man, I feed up them like one, I don't feed the fowl, man.
So we can tell me about Jesus now.
Eh?
We can tell me about Jesus.
Say what in hell do you want, sinner man? Turn before you burn, because God I go visit we soon. Say what in hell do you want? Sinner man, turn before you burn. Because God a go visit we soon. Say don't try to be like Dives. Find yourself in the lake of fire. It is better to be like Lazarus. Pray and God will lift you higher. For God will send Father Abraham just to put us on the glory chain. The world don't know me a D9 in person.
Oh, you mean the 9
Open
at
it.
PX10?
Yeah, man, I'm facing on my place. You
Yes,
understand? You have to
yes.
stop here to see my face.
Yes, oh you mean. Now look
is
at
right.
look at the beauty of your place.
Yeah.
Look at the beauty of your place. That's my ride
Yeah,
today,
man.
guys. That's my ride. That's my ride.
Yeah, which is right.
Yeah. I'll be back, bro. I'll be back. Yes.
The album that I come out with, I one half of the album that, man.
One half of the album. Of how many?
12 track, you know?
Oh yeah.
I want to every step of the way and then
My beauty face lady. What you have to drink?
I have passion and pine juice, soursop juice, beetroot.
Let me, how much of the beetroot?
Beetroot, I have buckets for 500 and I got a cup for 300 and bucket for 1,000.
You may work for $500.
Which one you want?
Beetroot. Yes. Yes, I know you were serving before. Nice. Nice. So it is a one way. It's
No,
one.
sir, you can try it both.
Okay. Because when I was coming up, I was like, oh, I missed my turn down there. Best people, beautiful people. This is it. This is fixed, but fixed and full of farmer, man. Yes, me G. What you plan, me G? Oh, okay. Be safe on your journey. Oh yeah. This guy says he plant ganja, so I'm not interested in where he planted. Do you? I wonder if he plant the real stuff that I used to back in my neck of the wood. Fake pen. Fake pen 360. Look at guys. Look at the hills of, and there goes my friend. There goes my friend in the morning when the sunrise. It's a beautiful me. And you see when you go down back that side, it's another beauty. And while I point, look at the hills of this place. Oh my gosh. Look at the hills of this place. Wow. What a God, eh? What a God. Look at the hills and look at the flat. See? Look at. God is a awesome God. He made the hills and the valleys, huh? And he still leave at all time he still be merciful, although we do so much cruel things to each other, you know. But we still have people who is willing to spread the love, guys. And I am hoping that I am one of them who is willing to spread love, you know, every day. I'm just hoping. So ever blessed people, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Encourage me to create more content for you guys. Please. Please guys, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me grow. Let me grow that would encourage me guys to make more content. And I am purchasing a beetroot juice.
Unfortunately, I'm gonna disappoint you.
No beetroot juice. So what you give me instead?
So that I'm showing you. So that is the passion and pine. This is the June plum. And I have carrot. Can we come and do that? Instead of the beetroot.
Hello, good morning. I'm doing a video. Can I just call you back? Guys? I'm doing a video right now. Can I just call you back? Alright. Passion and pine, mommy? Give me the passion and pine. Yes, yes. This one?
Yes.
Okay, here you go. I'm gonna do okay. And this one is for how much?
That one is for 500.
Okay. Nice. I'm gonna have passion and fine, guys. And I'm gonna give her this card. And she's gonna subscribe to my channel. She's gonna like my videos. And she's gonna leave a sweet comment for Ever Blessed family. There you go.
Thank you.
I'm gonna leave with this card.
Thank you, sir. I do have cards also, you know, but mine are finished, so.
Let me have one of you. You don't have not
Finish.
one? I would showcase the card. Yeah. Oh, sorry about that. All right, guys. So this
Thank you.
this beautiful face served me juice while I hit my meal up there. I was spreading the love with this shop
Yeah,
and this shop
wonderful.
because
We're happy for that.
they are close by. So Ever Blessed people, please
Yeah, man.
come out to Fake Spin and support this beautiful face here while she look after breakfast for you guys and she serve with a smile. Isn't that great? And that's some of the stuff that we have. I remember, guys, it's early in the morning, so this here is not as busy as you were expecting it to, but don't be discouraged. Stop by and support these people that is still selling here at Fake Spin. As I left Fake Spin, guys, Cherry one stop, bless up. Oh yeah, Fake Spin, guys, is still alive. Fake Spin is still alive. So this is early in the morning. My stomach is full. This guy is on the road again. Showcase in Jamaica to you guys. This is the hills of St. Anne. Ever Blessed people. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's showcase St. Anne, guys. Beauty, beauty, beautiful sceneries. Nice scenery, guys. St. Anne, what a beauty you possess. Yes. This guy is overtaking and swinging like crazy. St. Anne. When we traverse and we use the underpass, we normally honk our horn and we get a feedback in the background. I'm gonna test to see what's gonna happen right now. Did you hear that feedback, guys? Yeah, and in the distance, guys, look at in the distance. That's the Edward Siaga Toll Road. In the distance there, they dig down the hilly side and make it to become a flat, a 4-lane road to traverse. In the distance there, guys, that's it. Showcase in Jamaica for you guys. And in the short orders, we're gonna be coming soon. It's gonna be somewhere else. As the Mwango Wood says, Jamaica is something else. Oh, what a princess Kenya produce. And the Mwango is a showcase in Jamaica to the world. I know of a lot of other YouTubers that has come to Jamaica because of these Africans or these Kenyans. I am Mara. I know of a lot of YouTubers are going crazy just to be with us here. And Ever Blessed Family TV, Guys, you're welcome. Just come and showcase Jamaica. Right here, guys, this is... See, we're driving beside the toll road here. We're driving right beside it. See? Yeah, man. But I traverse on the toll road several times. So I just want to come this side to show you guys what this area is like. And is it beautiful? So if you like what you're seeing so far, guys, give the video a like, no man. Press the like button. Subscribe to Ever Blessed Family YouTube channel. Road to 1,000, guys. And and guys, my collab has started. I have collab with Tata and family lifestyle. What a beauty it was. I've collab with Godfrey Asburn. What a wonderful soul. Big up yourself, Rasta. Guys, please, I'm asking of you from Ever Blessed Family TV, please, my subscribers, support the YouTubers that are supporting me. I've been asking of you guys. Godfrey Hasburn is a gentleman. Trust me. He's just warm, you know, and I really like that guy's spirit. So please support him, guys. He go by the name Godfrey Asburn. And in the same breath, guys, I want you to take a look at Tata and family lifestyle. That guy did a collaboration with me, and he didn't hesitate when I called him. He didn't hesitate one bit. So for that, guys, I'm gonna ask Ever Blessed Family, please, to go over to Tata and Friends Lifestyle and support him, guys. I'm pleased to tell him that you're coming from Ever Blessed. There's a toll road bridge here, and I'm gonna honk my horn again to see if I get the same feedback as I get on the first one. Listen now, it's coming up, it's coming. Hey, did you hear that feedback, guys? Guys, that's the toll road. We just underpass the toll road there. And I didn't use the toll today because I want to showcase this surrounding for you guys. Show me some love by liking the video. Show me that you appreciate the journey by sharing my videos with your family and your friends. And if I traverse in your area, or if I traverse in any area that you recognize, please to leave a comment. Say, yeah, Ever Blessed, you just pass my area, and I'm in close orders. I'll be passing the JDF place name again. Okay, but I won't tell you where the trained soldiers. Just up in the, if I could show that to you a bit. That corner was kind of in a lot of patrol as I negotiate that corner there. So I had to fix myself up, pass without hitting any of those potholes. Why they call these holes pothole? Why it is not just holes that are in the road? Why it is pot? Oh my world. Ever Blessed people, I'm having fun. While I'm bigging up, I want to big up all my supporters who subscribe to my channel, who are sharing up my videos, who are introducing Ever Blessed to their family and their friends. Big up yourself, Jackie. Jackie out of Canada. Real supporter of Ever Blessed family. I know Jackie. I know you're sharing up my videos with your family and your friends. And you are telling your family and your friends to share my link with their family and their friends. What a beautiful soul is that. And the reason why I pick out Jackie at this moment is because Jackie don't know me. Jackie don't know me, guys. That left turn going to bring you back into St. Anne, but I'm not going to traverse that. I'm going to travel this one. Because Jackie don't know me, but I am associated with somebody that is Jackie's bestie. So Jackie said, if you are my bestie friend, why not support you? And this is the JDF. This is JDF. Oh, let me take a liquor. Talk 1, 2, 3. Show you guys. Welcome to Manique. Welcome to Manique Trading. It's too nice. This is where the army get there. Sitting from. So they are disciplined in this area. Guys, this is where the whole armored cars that they used to fight choppers around. This is. I see the fencing, guys. They put this kind of fencing because they don't want anyone to interfere. And this is their environment. The environment here is nice, very nice. Ever Blessed is showcasing. You like what you're seeing, guys? If you like what you're seeing, why not subscribing to my channel? Let me grow so that I can show you more of Jamaica. Because that's my intention, guys. My intention is to show you Jamaica in and around it. Show you guys what it has to happen. I'm asking of you guys just to show me some love. Show me some love. Encourage me to create more content for you guys. And that is when you subscribe, like, share, and leave sweet comments saying, Ever Blessed, I like what you're doing. When are you coming in my neck of the woods? Where is your neck of the woods? I don't know. Just stay tuned and look out for me. Continue to support me, guys. I'm really having fun with what I'm doing. So I'm hoping that you have fun watching. Ever Blessed people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for returning each and every time to watch my videos. Nice. Manique, guys. We are in Manique. So is Manique still St. Anne? I guess so. It is still St. Anne. But that area is just called Manique. Ever Blessed people. We're going places. We're doing things. Look at that area. There's a farming. They're preparing the land. They're cleaning up and all of that. The hills and the valleys there. Wow. It's nice. Look at guys. Seems as they're gonna do farming in that area. They do a lot of cleaning up there and plowing up the land and all that. Very nice. And we are going to gonna take you to some excited scenery coming up shortly. Hoping that you will like the scenery that I have to present to you today in this video. This video is a Mangayo one, and a Mangayo is a Mayugono. A Mayugono say Mangayo. A Mangayo in Kenya mean brand new. Hey, brand new parish, forever blessed. Yes, we are heading to the interesting scenery. And I am hoping that you will like what you see. And just like you like what you see, you like the video. Share it with your family members and look at what Everbless have on this kind of video today. Guys, Everbless is in money, Senton. Yes, stay tuned and watch what go on. Stay tuned and watch what go on. Beautiful country. Canada, that's the way. Traversing through the forest. Tata and family. The guests they want me bring come a event, brother, so they love the fish and they want to come back. Yes, guys. Yeah, man. Appreciate the link up, Tata. Family, Tata and friends. Lifestyle. Big up me G. You're young and going places with good intention. Yeah, man. You're spreading love, bro. You're spreading the love. Set some examples that your elders can follow. Set some examples. And I'm with you, bro. I'm with you to spread love, you know. Godfrey Osborne, oi. You're good, me J. Don't worry yourself, you know. St. Thomas are coming. St. Thomas are coming. I'm coming to visit, link up with Godfrey Osborne up there. I want to see some of them hilly terrain the way of Pihafa. Yeah, man. Ever bless people. I'm not gonna hang my hand this time. Oh, you're looking out. You're listening out for the honking at the hand now. No more honking of the hand. Yeah, when I... What told me to talk about honk on? Jamaican don't say they honk the hand. They say they blow the hand. So many other people slang on that. Yeah, but that's so it go. Look at these here. These houses are nice. Nice. Are you waiting to see what is coming ahead, guys? Just wait a little bit more and you will see. Look at these houses in these hills. Beautiful, huh? Are they? They are beautiful to me in my sight, so why not you? Hey. Nice. And this area is so cool. So cool. So hilly and nice, you know? And we'll get a little rain in this area earlier on. So it make this place extra cool, you know? Really extra cool. Ever bless people. Remember I said we are in St. Anne. And if I drive past Monique, you have any idea what is next? What is coming up next? Do you guys have any idea what the scenery is gonna be like in a couple minutes from now? I wish I was doing a live. I would ask the question to my audience. What is gonna come? What scenery are you gonna see next? The beauty of what Jamaica has to offer. Yeah. So I'm gonna ask, have I traversed through your area yet? Leave a comment for me. Am I heading to your neck of the woods? Leave a comment for me. Yeah, man. These roads are nice, but they need to be a little bit more wider. You know, so that should in case you have any stoppage along the way, then other vehicles can pass without, you know. So these roads need to be widened. But it's not that bad though. Not having a lot of bump as I was anticipating. It's really not too bad. They do some form of patching in this area. But these kind of road, they continue to patch them. I don't know why they continue to patch them when they could just repave them. And it's a little town here I like. It's a little town here I like, guys. Yes, a little town here. So as I was saying, when you have these kind of roads, why me keep on talk about politics though? Oh, but anyway, I look like everything, Mr. Still. I was just thinking as a Jamaican, you know, that they have these kind of roads and they crack all over and come with little holes all over. Why not just repave them? I make we have a smooth, you know, smooth road to travel and more and have these a lot of bumps all over when they do the patching, because they're not patching the roads level back with the other. They always, wherever they patch, they always elevate the patching a little bit. So each time you go, you run over them, you bump, boom you up, continue. So I think these guys need to take a look and to see that they're doing such a good job for us. And they're not doing a good job for themselves, because they are the ones who patch them and they are the same ones who have to use them. This is an entertainment area. Nice. Small entertainment area there, guys. They have a Jerkin Festival. I can see the sign. So they have a Jerkin Festival. My stomach is full, so I can't support you guys. I just had breakfast where I have roasted yam, ackee and saltfish, a little bit of steamed callaloo, and a little bit of fry up saltfish. So he gave me a mixed meal. Guys. And I stopped at the shop next door and I purchased a juice, which is pineapple and what she say again? Pineapple and juniper? Something like that. Tastes nice. It's right here, guys. It's right. Nice juice. And the lady that served it, what's her name again? Nice lady, full of smile. Full of vibe, you know, very welcoming. So guys, if you're watching this vlog and someday you ask to travel to Ocherius or wherever you want to go this side, check out Fiexpen. Fiexpen is still alive, guys. Still alive. And I know it's because of the toll road. A lot of persons can be bothered with all these twists and turns and the bumps in this side of the countryside. So they use the toll road. But this countryside offers a lot of scenery. And that's one of the reasons why I traversed this road this morning, because I'm able to showcase them to you. And I have no regrets this morning traveling this side of the road. You know, really nice. Some nice homes are in this area. I like to see the hilly here, as I just like to see that. What do you like to see, guys? Very nice here. As I said, guys, we are in St. Ann. Guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel to your family and your friends. I appreciate you guys so much. Ever Blessed Family TV, I appreciate you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I'm growing, you know, guys. I'm growing. So I'm growing, and I'm growing because of you. Because of your support, I'm growing, you know. Really appreciate you guys for watching my videos, liking it, and for sharing it with your friends. That home there is nice. Can you see, guys? Yes. Look out, guys. You see what's up next. In a minute or two, I'll be hitting some excitement for you. Watch where I go on. Watch where I go on. I'm excited. Are you? I am excited. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. This is morning here in Jamaica. I'm recording this vlog in the morning. And I am going to Jacksall. Heading to Jacksall. A lot of driving over the weekend. 2 trips. Montego Bay, Friday and Saturday, back and forth. Manchester. From Montego Bay to Manchester. Or from Old Harbour to Montego Bay. From Montego Bay to Manchester in one day. Then the following day, from Manchester to Maypen and back. The following day, from Manchester to Spanish Town. The following day, from Spanish Town to Old Harbour to Portmore. From Portmore to Old Harbour. From Portmore to Old Harbour again. What a whole heap of canoeing over the week. Coming down the line there. And then, yesterday, which is Tuesday, from Spanish Town to Maypen again. Milk River Bath area, where I hit up Godfrey Hasburn. Check him out, guys. Also, Tata and Family Lifestyle. Check them out, guys. They're my friends. And they're supporting Everbless Family TV. So why not? If they're supporting your boy Everbless, why not support them? Let us grow together, guys. Looking forward to your support. And they will tell me, Everbless, some people come from over you, tell me so they come from Everbless. And I will say, big up, big up, big up.